it going, guys? And thanks for joining us. That sounds terrible. This is just kind of cheesy. I'm holding the iPhone, so I don't really know how this is working. What do I even say? I don't know. We'll come up with something. I don't even know what like a good intro is. I don't like it. Alright, so, hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is the first official video, maybe minus an intro video that I will inevitably film, that is going to be an actual detail. I'm going to record what I can on it. Still recording from my iPhone, so we're going to do the best we can. But for now, I'll give you guys kind of a walk around as to what we're working on today. And it is this truck. Super exciting, but it's a pretty decent truck. It's a base model Silverado from what I can tell. And the owner really just wants a pretty much a basic wash on the outside, so that'll be simple. We're gonna go over the interior. We'll probably shampoo the seats and clean some things up. So let's get started. I'm kind of prepping everything now, and I'll record what I can. Let's go. So what we're going to start with is the shine supply. It's the Wise Guy wheel and tire cleaner. It's pretty basic. It's diluted 1:1, and as you can see, I might actually have to mix up some more before we do this. We'll get as far as we can with it. Pressure washer and everything in a minute. Normally I wouldn't use a pressure washer on this, just a base wash, but I'm trying to get my wife's car done today too. So we're gonna go ahead and set it. We're definitely gonna have to make some more if we're gonna do another car today. And I really like to get the Hellcat and the Audi cleaned up today too. I don't know if I'll get a chance, but it's not cold outside today. It feels pretty good. Maybe we'll turn some music on in the garage and just kind of go at it. I like to put this on heavy and let it sit and dilute for a little while. We'll kind of spray it a little bit on some surfaces that we're gonna just get the dirt and stuff off of as well. And it works pretty decently. Alright, so let's let that sit for a little bit. We'll hook up the pressure washer and get going. I don't even know if I can turn music on. Can I turn music on? Is it gonna copyright anything if I turn music on? Power. Cooler. Hooking this thing up is overall pretty simple. We'll take that nozzle off there. That's gonna run to the front of the pressure washer right here. And then there's a high pressure hose on the back. Thanks, Fox, getting right in the way there, buddy. This blue high pressure hose hooks up where Fox's face is, down there. Watch out, buddy. There's a copper fitting right there. Yep, there it is, right there. Hooks up right there and hooks to the gun. And then you run the power outlet here to around the house to the, did I say power outlet? You run the plug around to the power outlet, in this case on the side of the house, and that pretty much runs it. It's pretty simple. You want to see what happens when you get in a rush and don't connect things correctly? Spray a giant stream of water into your garage. That's what happens. Yep. Good job, me. much done. We're going to use our Shine Supply bug off. And just follow the same process that we did with the wheel and tire cleaner. I'm going to spray this, let it set for a second. And we're going to use the pressure washer on the car wash setting and see how much we can get off of this. This seems to work best if the stuff has just been put on there, from what I can tell. So we're gonna hit this pretty quick. And we'll go over the rest of it. All right. Also, if you don't have much experience with these pressure washers, they're pretty simple. This is the turbo model, or turbo nozzle. We won't be using that a lot. Hardly ever, really. We have the soap, which just draws soap from the canister down here, because it says soap on it. This is the car wash one. It's a lower pressure nozzle. This, from what I can tell, is like a wooden pressure washer nozzle thing. You can also see they have, I don't know how well it'll show up on camera. Yeah, it will. Varying degrees on them. And this one is for bricks. You can tell because it has pictures of bricks and wooden fences and cars and bubbles. And it's not a turbo, but showing up on camera. It won't focus. I think it's just a little, I don't know what it is. It's not coming off. looked right at it when we went over it, and I don't know where it went. But largely, it looks okay. I'm sure I'll see it in a minute. Maybe some of this water comes off a little. No, that's not it. Alright, well, let's move on. Alright, what we're going to use today as a soap is our Owner's Pride Super Wash Car Wash Soap. Super Wash Car Wash Soap. How was that hard to say? Got a milkshake. It's the peppermint thing from Chick-fil-A because it's delicious. However, luckily enough for me, when she bought it, it didn't bring all the boys to the yard, so we don't have to deal with that.